Good morning, Facebook, and welcome to Live in the Classroom. I'm Erica Fernandez of CCIC Communications, and today we're live at Bauerschlag Elementary School, and I'm with Holly Burnt now. She's a learning technology coach here. We're talking a little bit about RCC, which is the Robotics Coding and Computational Program here. Tell us a little bit, what is RCC?
Well, it's robotics, computational thinking, and coding, and it gives the kids an opportunity to solve problems in a way that helps them think deeply about the curriculum at the same time.
And this is the first full year that it's being launched out into 3 elementary schools, right? It's Ward, Bauerschlag, and then
League City.
League City Elementary.
And every kid, pre-K5, has experiences with getting to work with robots and coding.
And what's the benefits of this program that you guys are seeing so far?
Well, really, the strength is the computational thinking. Kids are learning to recognize patterns, break down big problems into smaller pieces, and persevere through challenge.
And this is the first full year inside 3 schools, but what's the long-term plan for this program?
Well, hopefully what we learn about curriculum and RCC will transfer into the curriculum for all students across CCISD, and other schools will start trying out some of these things with kids because it's super engaging. The teachers love it, and the kids love it too.
So today we're at Bauerschlag, and it's a showcase for the parents. And tell us a little bit about what parents will see when they come into the classroom today.
So we've been working on coding and robotics since the beginning of the year, and so kids are getting to show off what they know about coding bots. So that's like a physical coding where they're pressing the buttons on the bots, but they're also getting to do some more abstract thinking with block coding on programs like Scratch and Scratch Junior. So you'll see kids just trying to break down big problems into steps and teach their robots how to do what they're learning.
All right, and then we have the teacher today. We are actually in Miss Lauren Beatty's kindergarten class.
Welcome to my class.
So tell us, we're going to have Kirk kind of walk around and get some footage of what they're doing, but tell us, at kindergarten class, these students are learning RCC. How are you seeing this help them right now?
Yes, it is incredible, the engagement level that we have in these kindergarten kids right now with these VEX bots and the B bots and also the Scratch Junior program. It has really taken my station time in ELA as well as math to another level. The kids, this is the first thing that they want to do when we get into stations. They want to get in with the VEX spots. They want to get with Scratch Junior. So I've really just noticed an incredible increase in them wanting to do the activities.
So let's break it down and let's go to some of these stations and see what they are doing.
Okay, so this is one of my math stations that I have in my math block, and in this station we're working on one more than a given number. So what the students are doing is they roll the dice, and then they say they roll the number 6. They have to code from the number 6, and one more is 7. So they're planning it out on their planner sheet, and then they code with the bot.
Okay.
And so then they have some goals that tells them what they need to do, and if they can reflect on how they are doing with their goal.
Yeah, talk a little bit about this sheet, the personalized learning.
So one of our initiatives is personalized learning in students. So we like to set goals for our students and have the students take ownership in what they're learning. So the students are able to talk to what they are doing, and they're able to reflect on how they are doing with their work at school. Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, cool. Let's move on to another station.
Okay, so over here we've got the B-Bot station, and the students are coding to rhyming words, and so they have we are doing the science of teaching reading and implementing that. So the students are tapping out words, sounding out words, and then they are coding to the different words on their list.
Nap's right here, I think. Ellie's teaching it.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay.
Okay, and so if we want to move on to this station right here, the students will be coding vowel sounds. So they are looking at the beginning sound in words, and they are coding to the beginning sound. So right now they have the word elbow, so they're going to be coding to the letter E. And they're the same thing with the one more. They are planning out on the planning sheet, and then they are coding to the letter. Yeah. Okay. And this is one of my my most favorite stations and one of the kids' favorite stations. This is called a program called Scratch Junior. And we've been in a nonfiction unit in ELA right now. And so the students are able to go onto the Pebble Go resource and research an animal. And then they go into Scratch Junior and they're able to code the animal to like different, they can record about the animal, facts they've learned about the animal. They can change the background, change what the sprite looks like. And so this is one that we've really utilized a lot in our ELA block. They love it.
Awesome. Okay, thank you, Miss Beatty. Miss Byrne, a little bit more about the RCC program. I know that you said we want to eventually implement it. Implement it into the rest of the schools in CCISD. What are the long-term benefits of this type of program? When you tell the students or the parents when they come in, what's kind of the big reason that these students are going to benefit from this type of program?
Well, I think especially when we pair it with the personalized learning of like knowing what we're doing through our goal, students are able to see that they can tackle big tasks by in ways by breaking down the task and solving the parts that they can solve. So they're learning how to take big problems and tackle them, and whether it's with a computer or whether it's with ELA or math curriculum. So they're going to be, they're also working collaboratively, so they're learning to work with partners and to get along and solve a problem together, which is something that will help them in life in general.
Yeah,
So.
and we're seeing the students as young as kindergarten learn this. I mean, is that what the plan is? Is that starting in kindergarten, these kids are going to start learning RCC?
Well, we actually started with our pre-K this year, so and they love it. The ceiling is low. I mean, the floor is low for this program. Kids can get in and start using it, and every year the kids are telling us that we want more. So, like even in second grade, we're starting to teach them how to do conditionals and program loops around the curriculum. So it's amazing what they can do when they get an experience like this.
All right, and we love to be able to showcase all that our students are doing. Parents are going to start rolling in here any second so they can start seeing what the students are doing and what their kids have the opportunities to do as well if they aren't in school just yet. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this Facebook Live. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.